So you're thinking of putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you get the best return on your investment. This tip should help. Selling a house is like second nature to me because I've been doing this for over 8 years. And I still get those nervous Nelly sellers. And I know you're nervous. It's a big deal. Let's talk about curb appeal. The best thing you could do is to rent a power washer or have someone do it for you. Either way, you want to make sure that you wash away years of dirt coming off from your driveway, your entryway, and pay attention to your front door. As you know, when a buyer agent comes in, it takes us kind of couple seconds to put in the lockbox code, and this is a perfect time for the buyers to have a look at your entryway. So make sure that you take care of those peeling paints and those cobwebs on the entry. And also make sure that your entry is properly lit up. Next step, number 5, work with your agent on staging your home. Because according to 77% of buyer agents, stage home help buyer visualize themselves living in it. And staging a home will help your home stand out against the competition. According to the National Association survey, stage homes sell higher, around 10%, than those that are not staged. Number 6, now that you have your house ready for the market, it is time for videography and photography, because according to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers walk through the house upon seeing it online. So that is a very important part when you're selling a home. And lastly, now that the buyers are eager to see your house, make sure that you have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing at any time. So make sure that the house is easy to show at a moment's notice. So until your house has been in contract and has finally sold, make sure that you make it home show ready. A few things you could do is to plan for simpler meals every day so it will be easier to clean, and plan for outdoor activities if you have kids. Also, make sure that you find a place to bring your pets during showing. So make this arrangement with your family or friend ahead so that it will be easier not only to you but also less stress for your furry friend. These steps will help you sell your home faster and for more money. For more information, please feel free to call us at Homes by Lei anytime about anything. We want to help you and your neighbors, the Toronto and the Greater Toronto Area real estate market. We are expert at what we do. And remember, when it comes to buying or selling real estate, we at Homes by Lei will make your dreams come home. Tune in to our next videos in the series for more practical tips about buying or selling a home.